Evaluate. 60 into 0 to pi by 2. This can be written as sin 6x minus sin 4x plus sin 4x minus sin 2x plus sin 2x whole divided by sin x. 60 into sin x minus sin y, 2 cos x plus y by 2 sin x minus y by 2, 4. Sin x minus sin y, 4. 2 cos 3x sin x sin 2x, 2 sin x cos x. Sin x cancel. 120 into integral cos 2 outside, sin x cancel, cos 5x integrating, we get sin 5x by 5, sin 3x by 3, sin x within the limit 0 to pi by 2. 120 into 5 into pi by 2, 450, sin 360 plus 90, sin 91, sin 270 minus 1. Bracket open, we get 24 minus 40 plus 120. 144 minus 40, 104.